Injector 1. So that's Injector 1, front of the engine. You can see the reading on my meter. I've got a connection. Count the pins from the end. 37, 36, 35. Okay. Paperclip fell out. Okay, so there you go. You count it. 3 from the end. So pins 32 and 33, injector bank output 1, right? It's 35 and 34. So let's minus 1 to 34 from 35. Got a reading. So confirm 35 and 34. And let's look here. Let's flip the harness over and the colors. Count the wires. There they are, green, both. Okay, so we're on those pins, 34, so 32 and 33, according to what I read before, is injector bank 2 output, which should be on 4 and 6. But it's supposed to be 34 and 35, but we've already measured that's right now. Injector bank, it's on 1, 35, and anyway, yeah, you saw. Go like this, minus 1. Okay, no reading right now, which is expected. Okay, so we're gonna go 4 and 6. We'll just test one of them. How about 6? Because it's on the very opposite end. So we're gonna go from 1 all the way over here to 6 at the very end. Last one. Oh, we got a reading. And what are the colors? Blue. Should be on pin, what did I say? 33? 37, 6, 5, 4, 3. And let's go to 32 and see if we still have a reading. Thirty-seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. On pin 32, we've got a reading. Blue. So these need to be swapped, right?